It's Agar Agar or Tapioca dessert today, and it's just from 2 ingredients, and it's from scratch. Mel and Grace was delighted, and I hope you too get inspired to make this at home. Join me here on Channel 1 for some learning and fun. Hello, welcome to Channel 1. We're doing a tapioca dessert today. Pandan tapioca of Agar Agar pandan. This is my first time to do it. I'm not sure if this would be successful, but I've studied this recipe well, and I'm very confident it will work. This is what we need. Tapioca flour. Note, this comes from cassava roots. Not the tuber or bagas kung naming Ilocano. Not cassava flour. Cassava root. We need water, boiling water. It has to be boiling because we need the hot temperature to cook the flour and helps in binding the dough. 3:1. I have here 3 parts flour or starch, and I'm going to use or add 1 part water. We can adjust if needed. Since it's hot, I cannot hold it, so that's why. By the way, this same recipe for the tapioca pearl, 3:1. I got so excited that I began working it, but I forgot. We have to have it rest for at least 1 minute. Well, at least around 1 minute. We can resume. That was just to allow the flour to absorb the liquid. This will be flavored with pandan extract or pandan flavor. It's not an extract, it's just a flavoring. I think it's artificial even. Pandan, where's my pandan, pandan. No, pandan. Not more than 1/2 teaspoon. I begin to realize this is indeed extract. It is, or it has, an oily texture. It's fatty. I think this is cold enough to be handled. Yeah, it does it. It's called my hand. It's really warm. More on the hot side even, not just warm, but hot. But workable. This part is what I enjoy most when making bread or anything similar, including bilo-bilo. My cameraman says it looks like bubblegum. Yes, this is what we want to achieve. This texture. This powder our surface a bit. Yeah. Actually, we're making pasta, noodles. Yeah, it's pasta. I'm really happy with the proportion. 3:1. 3 parts tapioca flour and 1 part boiling water. We can dry this if necessary, but we're cooking it now immediately. Since water is now boiling, I can simply add it. It's quick to cook, look. As it boils, they float, indicating they're cooked. It's my first time to do this, that's why I need to get assured it's really cooked. Yeah, just like Sago. Tapioca texture, I like it. Let's start it off and let's just strain it. The sauce. I kept it in the fridge and the next day it has turned a bit harder. I don't know why. It was soft yesterday. It was even slimy. And now it's hard like kaong. Nevertheless, it's creamy and it has this delicious aroma. Pandan. Let's try it. And share it to my man and Grace and the rest of the main stage here. It's delicious. It's soft. It's chewy, but delicious. I don't know what I made wrong. Next time, I think I'll add some percentage of flour, ordinary flour. It's just too tough. Let's ask Madam Grace. Nakulbot man ha?
Hindi mas.
Ugali ti kwa diba? Gulaman.
Gulaman.
Mabaling ka no?
Kas lagarod ka, dagita na nga. Ginitaan ninyo.
Not bad. I think I'm just too picky. It's beginning to rain. Thank you for joining us today, and we would like to see you on our next video. Dios te guíe.